Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make delicious and creamy macaroni tuna salad. Let's get started. Here is the macaroni and the tuna fish which I'll be using for the salad. And here are the ingredients I'll be using: celery stick, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, sweet corn, and parsley leaf. I'll go ahead now and prepare all the ingredients and also boil the macaroni. Keep watching. To boil the macaroni into a boiling water, I'll add little salt and some oil. Then pour in the macaroni and stir. I'm using 1.5 cups of macaroni. I'll cover and allow it to cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. You can follow the prescription in your pack. After 7 minutes, the macaroni is cooked and soft enough for our recipe. I'll go ahead now and drain it with a sieve. I also have my veggies washed and well sliced: the celery, the bell peppers, the red bell peppers, and the parsley. I'll also be adding some chopped onions. Sorry I didn't show you this at the beginning, but I'll be adding it. It makes a whole lot of delicious difference. Now it is time to bring everything together. Into my mixing bowl, I'll add about 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and also about 3 tablespoons of yogurt, black pepper. I'll also add little garlic powder, lemon juice. Then mix very well. After mixing the cream or the dressing, it is now time to bring in the macaroni. Next, add the vegetables except the parsley leaves. Remember the corn. I'm loving these maripo colors. We then add the tuna fish. I have squeezed out the water in the tuna fish. Mix everything together. Isn't this looking so beautiful? Looks so delicious already. After mixing everything thoroughly, I will then add the parsley leaves, some of it anyway. You can serve this immediately. You can also cover and keep in the fridge for about 1 hour or more. It's more delicious that way. Time to test it. It's now time to test our macaroni tuna salad. This is so delicious, so yummy. Try this, you will love it. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please, if you did, give the video a thumbs up and also share the video to your friends and family. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.